Today, another dessert for the barbecue. Hey everybody, welcome back at Dinner with Dave. And after last time's dessert on the barbecue with the banana and the chocolate, I found something new. Also with banana, also with the barbecue. This time we're going to use a tray that you can put into the barbecue. At the moment I've got some moing balls warming up, so yeah, it's really nice if you're ready with your meat. You can always put it in, let it go, and when you finish your dish, you can eat your dessert. Furthermore, we're going to use some cake, just some cake you can buy at the supermarket. I've got myself some brown sugar together with some Chinese 5-spice to get all the flavors in there. You probably think like, what the hell, Dave, that's a really strange combination, but it's okay. Furthermore, the star of the show, the bananas. We've got some really dark chocolate. We've got some mint. I've got some marshmallows. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. How to make it? I'll show you. We can prepare this a long time ahead. So yeah, first I want to start with the brown sugar. I've got myself some cane sugar. Opening it up. And of course, it won't open up easily. Gonna grab myself about 100 gram. That should be about 2 tablespoons. 2 big tablespoons. And that we're gonna combine with some Chinese 5-spice. Why that? Because yeah, it's easier than using all the different herbs. Also 1 tablespoon of that goes in. I got myself a jar. So with that jar, gonna shake it up. And then it's ready to use. Next part, the oven tray. Got myself an oven tray, a little bit of oil in there. Take yourself a brush, make sure everything's nicely covered so it won't stick. So that's already done. We're gonna take the cake and we're gonna make like 2-centimeter plaques, and we're gonna cover the bottom of the tray. We're gonna need about half the cake. Cut it through half. Nicely filled. Then, star of the show. Got myself 3 bananas. Cut them in half. And if you're too lazy, like me, you can also cut them in the peel, cut them in half. There we go. Gonna lay it on there. And of course it rips. Make sure it's nicely filled. It's the star of the show. Now, dark chocolate. Got myself a nice bar. Really dark chocolate. We're going to use about half of it. And we're going to grate it over the banana. Almost half of it. Then the sugar with the 5 spice. Divide it a little bit over the bananas. Oh, those smells. Really smelling nice. Now that's done. Put it aside. Some mint. I've got some fresh mint. Finely cut it. And also divide it over the bananas. So everybody will taste a little bit of mint. Now, mini marshmallows. So here's the dish. Then we've got the mini marshmallows. We've got all varieties, all kinds of colors. And we're gonna put it on top of the bananas. Look at that. What a feast. That's done, and then the rest of the chocolate, we're gonna make some curls. So finely slice it. Be careful for your fingers. Put it in a bowl. So as soon as you're ready with your meat, get it into the oven at about 200 degrees for 15 minutes and you're ready to eat. Now 15 to 20 minutes later and look at that. Oh, that's looking nice. Now let's plate up. We're gonna get a nice corner. Ooh, crispy. Crispy marshmallow, banana. Oh. Top it off with some chocolate. Big chunks, doesn't matter, extra chocolate at the side. This is my second banana barbecue dish. Now, time to taste. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, crispy marshmallows, the chocolate, the cake. Ooh. The sweetness of the marshmallows combined with the cake. Oh. Chocolate melting. Crispy marshmallows, oh, delicious. I would say make it. This was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. And we're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.